Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes to YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can enable eye comfort shield in your phone Samsung Galaxy F62. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and click on display. Then just turn on this button, eye comfort shield. So uh, your screen will be in light, and that is your screen will not emit more light, and it be the screen will be very pleasant to see. That is, your eyes will be protected, and it will be better to use this. If you feel any eye irritation using your phone, it will be like light yellow is mixed with white. So if you want to remove eye comfort shield again, then you have to turn off this button. It will be pure white. Okay, it will have some adverse effect on your eye, so it is better to use eye comfort shield. Just turn on this button, and it's like you are using it in very low light. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.